Hey there! After defending my thesis, I'm now finally officially a free elf and got some stuff done for my game. This video is the final one in creating my gameplay loop. Stick around until the end if you want to know what I tackle next. But now, let me show you the newest additions to my project. First, the changes in the glade. Here I started to enhance the atmosphere by adding some forest sounds and rearranging the tiles and objects in the scene a bit. Also, I created a script that detects the type of ground the player is walking on and plays stepping sounds accordingly. It's not perfect yet, but I call it a good start. Lastly, I added a pixel art font and improved the text in the loadout selection. Now, on to the changes in the zombie slaying and loot hunting areas. As I mentioned in the previous video, a core aspect and component for my game is the level creator. Whenever the player starts a run for loot, the creator component builds the level for it with specified street tile maps. For this component, I coded through hours of lessons by Rob Ager to have the basic framework. How this component basically works is that you set up a node graph in an editor built during the tutorials. The node graph symbolizes the street tile maps you want to connect to create a level. For now, I have a starting area, which is the oak lane, and a crossing. Crossings will serve as the connecting point between single streets. The level generator takes the node graph and builds the level accordingly. Next, let's check some changes in the layout of Oak Lane. I think my pixel art style is currently leaning into using less texture and instead adding details and highlights. This is why I changed the grass texture from many details to a cleaner look with some tufts of grass or stone standing out. Also, the textures and shadows of the houses and trees have been adjusted to look more natural. The third area that got some major updates were the zombies. After adjusting the tile maps a bit and marking the walkable area for the zombies, they now use the A-star algorithm to follow the player around. I even added a draft for an idle animation that plays while they are just minding their own business. They currently follow the player around until they can't see them anymore, so hiding is always an option. That's it for today. We've now got a working level creator and a gameplay loop. For the next section, my goal is to add at least one more street with new houses and add the builder component so the player can build a tent in the glade. I'm really excited how things are coming along. Leave a sub if you want to see what's up next. And thanks for stopping by and sticking around until the end. Here's a clip of Gray going crazy about a plastic bag as a reward. See you next time!